There is a lot of information about coins that people simply don't know about. If you have coins, you're collecting coins, you're into coins, or you just want to know how much your coins are worth, then you're going to want to stay until the end of this video, because there's people out there that are buying coins thinking that they can sell them for more money when in reality, they're ending up getting scammed and ripped off. So this first coin here, if you see anything like this, I'd always be very suspicious, especially if it's not graded by a third-party company like NGC or PCGS. All it really takes to replicate a coin like this would be a hydraulic press or some sort of heavy machinery to impress another coin into this quarter to make it appear like it's some rare error coin. Another sign is if you're on eBay, you want to check out the seller's other listings. Most of the time you have a better probability of getting a genuine coin if the seller sells a lot of coins and they are a full-time dealer online. But if you look at this guy's listings, he has a bunch of pictures that are really bad quality. They don't have many bids on them, and honestly a lot of them are probably not what he's actually calling them. Now this person may not have any bad intentions. They may have found all of these coins, but the reality is a lot of these coins are not going to be worth that much money. Now let's look at this next coin. Same sort of thing here. They're calling this an error coin that was double struck. Again, same type of deal here. One other area you want to look at, the seller has only 11 feedback. It is 100%, which is good, but you can get that from buying stuff. You don't need to be getting that feedback just from selling. Like, look at the second picture. It's just a really bad picture. This is a great example of if you're selling on eBay, what not to do. You don't want to take pictures like this poor of a quality. You want to get some good lighting. But a huge red flag on this coin is if you look at the bid history, you can see that the bidders, a lot of them have zero feedback. This is what people call shill bidding. So people will go on eBay and artificially inflate the amount of money that the coin is selling for in hopes that someone says, oh my gosh, there's all these bids, there's all these people buying this coin, you know, they're all bidding on this coin, so it makes it seem like it's more valuable than it actually is. In reality, this coin is probably not worth too much more than its face value of 1 penny, and hopefully the person that bought it did not get scammed and ripped off, because I would be very upset if I knew any of the viewers on my channel bought something like this thinking that it was a genuine error. Again, a surefire way to know if you have a genuine coin is to buy a coin that's already authenticated by a third-party grading company. There are some things you need to look out for with non-genuine slabs, but that is pretty unlikely, and if you're buying from a reputable dealer online, they have a lot of good feedback, they're selling a lot of coins, then you're most likely not going to run into that issue. But I would stay far away from anything that looks like this. Lastly, we'll just go over this one really quickly. So you can see a little heart here. This person's just doing this little doodle on the coin. You know, they're engraving this design, a bunch of different designs. These are not factory errors. This does not happen anytime during the minting process. This is after factory, and you know, this person's selling these coins for $2.50 each. This is not something that will go up in value, so I would stay far away from something like this unless you just think it's a cool little fun thing. But me personally, I think it's a little bit lame, but I could understand that some people think it's cool. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.